In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bookings to your Wix site in the Wix editor. To get started, open your target webpage in the Wix editor using Chrome. Make sure you're on the exact page where you want the booking feature to appear, because this helps you place everything in the right location from the very beginning. If your site has multiple pages, take a quick moment to confirm you're not editing the wrong one. That small check can save time later and keep your workflow smooth. Once your page is open in the editor, look over to the left-hand sidebar. This is where Wix groups most of the tools you'll use to build and customize your sites. On that sidebar, click the Add Elements button, which is marked with a plus sign. This opens the panel that contains all the different content and layout elements you can place on your page, including text, images, decorative items, and business tools. After the Add Elements panel opens, scroll down through the available categories until you find the booking section. Depending on your screen size, you may need to scroll a bit to reach it, so move steadily and watch the category list carefully. The bookings category is where Wix keeps the tools related to appointment scheduling and service reservations, making it the place you'll go when you want visitors to book directly through your site. When you see bookings, click Add to Site. Wix will then insert the booking feature into your website. At this point, the element should appear on the page, and from there, you can begin positioning it within your layout as needed. If the page feels crowded, don't worry. You can always adjust placement after the feature has been added, but the important part here is getting it onto the site first. That's all it takes to add bookings in the Wix editor. The process is simple, but it's an important step if you want your site to support appointments or service-based scheduling. As a quick tip, after adding the feature, it's always a good idea to preview the page and make sure the booking section appears where you expect it to. This helps you confirm that everything looks clean and works naturally within your design. Now you know how to add bookings to your Wix site using the Wix editor in Chrome.